Hey guys, welcome back. It's so good to see you here back. So from a long time I am using some plain face mask as well as printed, but I wanna customize the plain ones, so I decided to paint them and wanna share the video with you all. And if you are also getting bored with your face mask, then do check out this video. Now let's begin. To paint the first mask, here I am making a rough floral pattern with the help of chalk. Now let's start painting the flowers with yellow, crimson red and white. After completing the flowers, let's paint the leaves and stems. To paint the leaves and stems, here I am using some dark green and yellow. And in last, I am adding some florals with the help of purple and white. So our first mask is ready. Now for the second one, which is very easy, let's start making some random flowers with yellow. After making these random flowers on the whole face mask, let's paint the leaves and stems. And in the last step, just add the final touch with chrome yellow and mixture of green and white. And here is the second mask. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then do hit the like button and please do subscribe to this channel and press the bell for upcoming notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, and I'll be back very soon with some other videos. Till then, take care. Bye.